Hello, my name is Angelo Ikijimba, and today I have created a clicker game on Codesters. So let me start the game. So as you can see, I have a sprite here that you need to click on, and I need to get 50 of this guy to buy the next upgrade. So I don't have enough money. Okay, let me get enough money to buy it. So let me get to 50 so I can buy the next upgrade to increase my click. So now each time I click, I will now get 20 plus, which is way more easier to get. And I can now buy the next upgrade. So let me buy it. They'll spin even more faster. So let me get the next one, which will make it even more faster, increase my thing by 1,000 each go. And let me buy the final upgrade to reach max level. So now I got max level. So I've made a for loop here to do these two designs that I put here. This is my sprite that I put here. I've made like a lot of like sprites. So my shop, mainly my shop. I put 3 variables here: the number to increase by, the speed of the sprite, and the score. I've done like a few click functions, as you can see here. And I've done a mouse move to like add more extra to this game, where you can move your mouse around and you'll see this thing. I've also done a while loop to make this spin forever, so no matter what, it will always spin. Going deeper into my code, I've for all my click functions, I've made sure to global everything. The global my variables, because otherwise it won't work.